How to get Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome back to One to Step. If you don't see the Marketplace option on the top of your Facebook, if you're having that issue, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can get that option. Now the way that you get it back is just tap on the three lines on the top right. Once you're here, you just head over to settings and privacy. From here again tap on settings. From the settings page of your Facebook, you just tap on the profile settings, which is this option. From here you just scroll down and on the bottom you'll have shortcuts. Tap on the shortcuts bar and it's going to give you all the shortcuts that you can add or remove on Facebook. If yours does not show, you can just tap on this option and make sure it is on auto or pin. If you tap on the pin option and if you head back, you'll be able to see your marketplace option showing up. So that's the way that you can get your marketplace option on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back with more informative videos similar to this. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.